Hello and welcome to Tater Talks on Tater TV. My name is Spud. Our top story today, blizzard winter storm Aubrey that has been ravaging North Dakota October 10th, 11th, and 12th, 2019. Devil's Lake got the worst of the snow, receiving several feet, while places like Bismarck only got about 18 inches. Winds gusted in excess of 55 miles an hour, averaging usually around 40 to 45, except in the worst of times when it did hit 55 miles an hour, creating whiteout conditions with the blowing snow, making driving difficult to see. Highway 94, stretching from Bismarck through Jamestown, Valley City, all the way up to Fargo, is closed. A lot of the highways north of 94 in the same region are closed. This is where the storm hit the hardest. A lot of the roads that aren't closed in this area are no travel advised, as seen with the red and gray dotted lines. Now in the same area you can see all the plow trucks with the circles and black lines. Those are all the plow trucks trying to clear the roads right now. The Bismarck Tribune reports that between the hours of 7 a.m. Thursday and 7 a.m. Friday, 11.6 inches of snow fell in Bismarck, breaking the previous record of 8.6 inches on October 29th, 1991, for a total one-day, 24-hour snowfall in October. Now I'm told that we have a time-lapse video from a resident of Bismarck, North Dakota, so let's cut to that and check that out. cold. Holy cow! Well, from all of us here at Tater Talks, stay warm, stay safe, and thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later.